Welcome to this meditation. How to go deeper into your commitment with your true twin flame. How to allow and invite your twin flame union now. You may close your eyes and relax. Take a few deep breaths. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and another deep breath in, and deep breath out. Once more, a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Relax. Allow yourself to take your attention to your heart space. You can visualize yourself sitting with your twin flame. Whether you know them or not, your heart recognizes the energy. Invite them to sit next to you right now. You can hold each other's hands. When you're ready, you can look into their eyes and say to them, I choose now to wholeheartedly commit to my twin flame harmonious union now. I wholeheartedly commit myself to this journey. I commit myself to God. I commit myself to myself. I commit myself to my twin flame union. I commit myself to God and all of His creation now. I choose to let go of all that no longer serves me completely. I allow the universe to show me the most compassionate and easy steps into my deeper commitment with my true twin flame. I ask and I receive my true dreams and wishes from Mother Goddess, from the universe now. I choose to deeply commit to my spiritual path, my spiritual journey back home to heaven, to God, now and forever. My eternal commitment to God consciousness, to love consciousness, starts now. And I let go of anything I'm holding on to from the consciousness that no longer serves me, the ego consciousness that I serve no more. I let go of that completely. This choice is eternal, and I choose to anchor this choice deep in my heart, deep in my soul. I allow my twin flame union, my harmonious twin flame union, to be my anchor, to be my place of safety and home, where I live and where I come from. I choose to remain here for eternity and forever. Take a few more deep breaths. Let this choice be a part of your supermind, your subconscious mind, your current conscious mind, your physical body, your heart completely, in all your dimensions and times and spaces. I am in complete harmony with this choice for eternity. Take a few deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Allow yourself to come back to your present space, the room that you're sitting in. And be present with yourself. Thank you and namaste.